Welcome on Omni Academy, a platform for UGC NET JRF, ICR NET SLET 2021 and various other related competitive exams of home science, in which you will get to know the strategy to crack examination, how to deal with all the branches of home science, and what are the some material for examination that you are stuck into while studying. So let's have a look on the syllabus. That this video is basically deal with the syllabus, or I can say the NT UGC NET JRF updated syllabus, in which we have the 10 units. As every unit, like unit 1 and unit 2 deals with the food, and unit 3 and unit 4 with the textile. In the same way, every 2 units deal with some branch of home science. So when we talk about unit 1, that is food science and food service management, that deals with the pigment, that deals with the additives, that deals basically what is food and nutrition, and what are the some nutrients like macro, micro, what are the quality evaluation, what are the food pigment, what are the additives, what are the at the institutional level, that you have to see. In the next unit, you may deal with the dietetics, that is the therapeutic approach in various lifestyle, in various diseases, nutritional assessment, ABCDE approach of nutrition and dietetics through lifespan, that you have to deal with. What are the some important nutrients in the pregnancy, that one has to see. What are the some important nutrients in the old age, what type of diet is has to be given, so that you all have to see in second unit. In the third unit, the syllabus deals with the textile, fourth unit deals with the apparel designing. So these two units are interrelated. In unit third, textile, you have to see the terminologies, the basic of textiles. Basic of textile means that's dyeing, printing, textiles, twisting, or what are the some kind of recent developments like dyeing and printing. Every I can say from this unit, it's like 15 to 20 question is fixed from this area or from this unit, that you have to see. Eco labeling, eco marks, when you are purchasing the clothes, so what type of material, what type of labeling you have to see onto it. So these are the some type of question that you have to see. In the fourth unit, if I'm talking about, it's all about apparel designing. What is apparel designing, what are the some kind of measurement technique, tools, apparel manufacturing, care and manufacturing. If you are purchasing a wool or you have a wool fabric, so how you will taken care of that, or what are the some kind of manufacturing, like of the processing of cotton, processing of wool, silk, nylon, man-made, and difference between man-made and the natural. Next unit deal with resource management and consumer issue, in which all the theories of management is very very important, and the syllabus deals with concept, approaches of management, and the consumer rights and issues. Next is unit 5, that deals with the housing and interior designing. As you all know, what's the management, so you must being a home scientist or being a home scientist, you must know what are the some color schemes, how you will deal with some kind of color theories, monochromatic, split complementary, and how you have to deal with the ergonomics. That's is a one basic question from this area. If it is ergonomics, so how will the functional design will work, what is furniture, furnishing, the material, equipment for designing an equipment or a building. Next deals unit with unit 8, that is a child and human development, that's deal with early child growth, that will deals with through complete lifespan, means from infancy, from pregnancy to old age till death, aging, what are the some related factors, what are the some developmental tasks. So that's a detailed syllabus that doesn't only look into the 10 or 11 slides, but this is a one topic that you have to read in detail, because NT-NET when dealing with the question, it's not all about the in-depth, but it's also with the basics. So until or unless you don't know the basic, you will not know in detail the topic. So for your concept clarity for basics, you can join our live classes. You can contact us on our mail ID, that is customercare.sbscholars@gmail.com, or you can further contact on our contact number, that is given in the description box. Next unit is 8th, that is our family studies, that's deal with the marriage, relationship, domestic violence, some kind of human rights, family disorganization, single parent family. So that is very important to understand, to learn the concept, to previous year, to think upon about it. So next I can talk about, that is a communication for development, that is extension communication or extension education. This is the last unit, but sometime the people or the students basically forget this unit, forget all about it. But this is very important in terms of paper 1, in terms of paper 2, as that's deal with a very beautiful picture besides the content that you can see the two students and talking to this way. So in this way you can connect with us while for your concept for previous year and for any kind of revision material that you are stuck into in the textile or individual branches. So communication is very important. Unless you don't have communication, you can't learn. So in this you have to see the theories, you have to see the interaction, you have to see the various kind of audio visual aids. So that's all the importance of communication and in the recent era. Last unit, that the community development, that's basically deal with some communication changes or some kind of skill development in the recent developments. What are the programs, what are the historical perspectives, what are the people's participation approach. So that's you all have to see in the extension communication. So that's very important to look onto. So if I'm talking about all the units of the syllabus, so that's deal with every last topic of your unit deals with a research methodology, that deals with a research methods, that deals with some scientific writing. That's being a part of after clearing your UGC NET JRF, so you will enter into the next phase of your life in the field of assistant professor, being a researcher. So you must know some basic tips of scientific writing. That's why NTA UGC NET inculcate this last topic of every unit as a research part. So you please look on to that. It is also important for paper 1. Until or unless you will not look, because I can say probably like a majorly 20 to 30 question from this research methodology from both the papers, paper 1 and paper 2.